Good morning, student. From today, we are going to learn about 8th class, 9th class, 10th class mathematics. Okay. So first of all, we will start from 8th class. 8th class में first chapter है आपका rational number. I'm talking about CBSE. First chapter is rational number. तो आज हम rational number के बारे में सीखेंगे. Rational number क्या होता है? What is rational number? Here we will see a number line. This is the number line, and this number line we have some numbers, and we can say that all the numbers in the world are there on the number line. So here this is positive side and this is negative side. इस साइड में 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Similarly, in left hand side -1, -2, -3, -4 and so on till infinity. यहाँ एक ध्यान देने की बात है, जब हम 1 से लेके इंफिनिटी तक काउंट करते हैं, 1 to infinity, ये नंबर इन नंबर को बोलते हैं natural number. These are called natural number. If we include 0 also in natural numbers, these all are including 0, 0, 1, 2, 3 and all. These are called whole number. Whole number. तीसरी चीज, जब हम इसमें नेगेटिव साइड भी इंक्लूड कर देते हैं, नेगेटिव, पॉजिटिव प्लस 0, जब इन सबको इंक्लूड करेंगे, इनको बोलते हैं इंटीजर. Integers. Now still some numbers are left. What are these numbers? See here is 0.1, 0.2, 0.3. जब आप अपने स्केल में देखोगे तो वो कुछ पार्ट्स में डिवाइड होता है. हर एक पार्ट 10 पार्ट्स, 20 पार्ट्स, 100 पार्ट, 200 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड होता है. तो ये जो छोटे छोटे पार्ट्स है 1.1, 1.2, 2.2, 2.3, these are called rational numbers. इनको हम डेसिमल नंबर भी बोल सकते हैं और रेशनल नंबर भी बोल सकते हैं. It means these 1/2, 3/2, these are called. It means including fractions, integers, natural number, whole number. These all are called rational number. Rational number. These are called rational number. Rational number means like 1/2, 2/3, 4, 2/3, 4/5, 7/8. These are rational number. Now, तो रेशनल नंबर क्या हुए? 1/2, 2/3, 4/5 and 7/8. इट मीन्स एक डेफिनेशन अगर हम ले इसकी, तो डेफिनेशन क्या हुई? रेशनल नंबर. व्हाट इज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ रेशनल नंबर? द नंबर which can be present in the form of P/Q is called rational number. P/Q. What is P? Here P/Q. P is numerator and this Q is denominator. It means any number which can be represented in the form of P/Q is called rational number. Here we can see this 0. Can it 0 represent in the form of 0/1? Means P/Q. Second, 1 is there. 1 also can be represented in the same form. 2 is there. 2 also can be represented in the same form. 2/1, 3/1, 4/1, -1/1, -2/1. We can write. It means all the numbers are rational number. अब यहाँ पर हमारे पास क्या है? इन रेशनल नंबर की कुछ प्रॉपर्टीज है. प्रॉपर्टी जैसे क्लोजर प्रॉपर्टी, कॉम्यूटेटिव प्रॉपर्टी, एसोसिएटिव प्रॉपर्टी एंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रॉपर्टी. यहाँ हम प्रॉपर्टी के बारे में सीखते हैं. व्हाट आर दीज प्रॉपर्टीज? properties of rational number. Properties of rational number. First property is closure property. Closure property क्या होती है? Two rational number when we add we get the rational number, or two rational number when we multiply we get the rational number. Similarly, when two number add or multiply or subtract also, we will get the rational number only. That is called the closure property. When two rational number when we add, we can write here when we add. When we add or multiply two rational number, we get rational number only. For example, 1 upon 2 is a rational number, plus 1 upon 4 is also a rational number. That will be equal to 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 4 equal 3 upon 4. You can add by taking LCM. 4 and 2 LCM will be 4, and this is 2 to the 4, 2 plus 1 equal 3. So this is here 1 upon 2 rational, this also rational, and this also rational. So this is called closure property. This is example number 1. Second number example is, suppose we are multiplying, here saying we can add or multiply also. So here multiply 1 upon 3 multiply by 2 upon 5. Here this is a rational number, second also a rational number. When we multiply numerator to numerator, 2 1 ja 2 upon 3 5 ja 15. This 2 upon 15 is also a rational number. It means when we multiply two rational number or when we add two rational number, we are getting rational number only. This is called closure property. Second property is commutative property. Commutative property. What is commutative property? In this commutative property, we can add or multiply two or more integer in any order. So I am writing here, we can add or multiply two or more integers in any order. So commutative property, we can add or multiply two or more integer in any order. This is called commutative property. For example, like a plus b is equal to b plus a. This is commutative property. How? Here we are taking some constant or some rational number at the place of a and b. Suppose a equal 1 upon 2 and b equal 1 upon 4. Similarly, this will be equal to, अब a की जगह क्या रखेंगे? b और b की जगह a. So यहाँ क्या आएगा? 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 2. a plus b is equal to b plus a. This is commutative property. Now let us add this one. What will come? This 4 will be LCM. 2 to the 4, 2 plus 1 will be equal to, again 4 is LCM. Here what will come? 1 plus 2 to the 4, 2. 2 plus 1 equal 3. 3 upon 4 is equal to 3 upon 4. Here we can see both sides are equal. It means these two are equal. So we can say when we change the order of digits or order of numbers, we can get the same. We will get the same. This is the commutative property. Similarly, in multiplication also, example number 2 we are taking here. 2 upon 3 multiplied by 5 upon 4 will be equal to 5 upon 4 multiplied by 2 upon 3. Same we are doing here. A and B, A multiplied by B will be equal to B multiplied by A. So see here, 2 1 ja 2 and 2 2 ja 4. This is divisible by same number. So in numerator 1 multiplied by 5, in denominator 3 multiplied by 2. And here this is also divisible. 2 1 ja 2 and 2 2 ja 4. So in numerator 5 multiplied by 1 and denominator 2 multiplied by 3. 5 1 ja 5 and 3 2 ja 6 will be equal to 5 1 ja 5 and 2 3 ja 6. यहाँ आप देखेंगे both sides are equal. It means in commutative property when we change order we can add or multiply integers in any order. When we change order we will get the same result. Now this property is not closed under subtraction and division. How? Let us see. This is a not important thing. Commutative property does not close under subtraction and division. This is not closed under subtraction and division. How? Let us take example. Example number 1 we are taking. Two numbers are there. 1 upon 2 I am taking again. Minus 1 upon 4. According to this property should be equal to 1 upon 4 minus 1 upon 2. The property is saying A minus B is not equal to B minus A. Let us see. 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 4 is equal to 4. 2 2 ja 4. 2 minus 1 will be equal to, here again 4 is LCM. So here 1 minus 2 2 ja 4 2. 2 minus 1 equal 1. This is 1 upon 4. And in this side 1 minus 2 equal, this is a greater number. So minus sign we will take, minus 1 upon 4. Now you can see we have taken here equal, but these are not equal now. So these are not equal. It means we can say this property is not closed under subtraction. Similarly in division also, second example, 2 upon 3 divide by 1 upon 2, and again in another side 1 upon 2 should be divided 2 upon 3. Here A divided by B and B divided by A. Now this should be equal according to property, but see here 2 to 2 cancel one time. So what? here देखिए 2 upon 3 divided by 1 upon 2. So 2 upon 3 multiply. We will take reciprocal. So this will be 2 upon 1. In this side also 1 upon 2 multiply by 3 upon 2. We will take reciprocal of this number. Now here multiply this 2 2 ja 4 and 3 1 ja 3 should be equal to 3 1 ja 3 and 2 2 ja 4. Here 4 upon 3 and 3 upon 4. These are not equal to each other. It means commutative property does not close under division also. Now we will learn third property. What is third property? That is associative property. In associative property what happens? Third property. Associative property. In associative property what happens? This property is implied on more than 3 numbers, 3 or more than 3 numbers. We can group the numbers in different manners. Like what is property? In this property, in this property when we add or multiply 3 or more number, 3 or more number, we can group them in different manner. We get the same. In this property, when we add or multiply 3 or more number, we can group them in different manner. We get the same result. By example, we will learn. Example number 1, I am taking variable. I am taking here a plus b plus c will be equal to a plus b plus c. Both sides are equal. Here in this left hand side, I am just grouping these two, and in another side, I am just taking group in one group b and c. Here a plus b in one group and b and c here one group. Now let us take example for this one. Like here at the place of a, I am taking 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 2, and here also 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 2. Let us take here bracket, and in this side this is the bracket. When we will add these, 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 4 is equal to 3 upon 4 plus, first we have to solve bracket, and plus 1 upon 2, 3 upon 4 plus 1 upon 2, 3 upon 4 plus 1 upon 2 is equal to 4 upon 4. In this side, let us see 1 upon 2 as it is, and at this side 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 2 is equal to 3 upon 9. See this one, we will add this one also. So first we will add this 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 2 is equal to 3 upon 4. That thing we are doing here, 3 upon 4 and 1 upon 2. What is LCM here? 2. So take here 4 will be the LCM. 4 1 ja 4. So here what will come? 3 1 ja 3 plus 2 2 ja 4, 2 1 ja 2. In another side, take LCM for these two. LCM is 4 only. Here 2 2 ja 4, 2 plus here 4 1 ja 4, 3. 3 plus 2 equal 5. This is 5 upon 4, and in this side also 2 plus 3 equal 5 upon 4. You can see left hand side and right hand side, both sides are we are getting equal by making different group. It means both sides are equal. Here also you can see 5 upon 4, 5 upon 4. So we can say associative property is closed under addition, or we can say then 3 or more numbers, when we group in different manner, we will get the same. Now we will take another example. We will not take example actually. This property is for multiplication also. So we can write here like this, that a multiplied by b multiplied by c will be equal to same a multiplied by b multiplied by c. So here again you can make group here, and second time here. When you will solve, take any rational number at the place of this one and we can solve them. Now next one is distributive property. What is distributive property? Fourth one. Distributive property. What happened in this one? Distribute means बांटना. हम एक चीज एक से ज्यादा लोगों को बांटते हैं. एक ग्रुप में जितने भी लोग बैठे हैं, सेम थिंग उन सभी लोगों को बांटने को डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करना बोलते हैं. अब डिस्ट्रीब्यूट प्रॉपर्टी में सीधा हम डायरेक्ट इसको समझने की कोशिश करेंगे. दिस a is there, this will be multiplied to b plus c. This is called distributive property of multiplication over addition. Similarly, if here a plus b, a multiplied by b B minus C is there. This is called distributive property of multiplication.